The online business world is evolving faster than ever. Technology, AI, automation, and digital consumer behavior are reshaping how people earn money. As we move into 2026, the opportunities are bigger, smarter, and more accessible than at any time in history. Today, I'm sharing the 10 best online business ideas for 2026. Ideas that are future-proof, scalable, and aligned with where the digital world is heading. Whether you're a beginner or already building something, these ideas can help you create real income and long-term freedom. AI-powered content creation services. AI tools are exploding, but businesses still need humans who know how to use them properly. In 2026, offering AI-assisted services like video editing, script writing, social media content, or branding will be one of the most profitable online businesses. You don't need to be a tech expert. You just need to know how to use AI tools efficiently and deliver high-quality results faster than traditional creators. Digital products and e-learning. Online education is booming. People want quick, practical learning, not long degrees. Selling digital products like ebooks, templates, guides, or mini courses is a powerful business model with high profit margins. Once created, digital products sell again and again without extra work. This is one of the best passive income models for 2026. Remote consulting and coaching. If you have knowledge in finance, fitness, spirituality, business, marketing, or personal development, you can turn it into a consulting business. People pay for clarity, guidance, and transformation. In 2026, micro-coaching and niche consulting will grow even more, especially with AI helping you automate admin tasks. AI automation agency. Businesses want to automate repetitive tasks, but don't know how. If you learn tools like Zapier, Make, or AI workflow builders, you can help companies automate customer service, emails, scheduling, and data tasks. This is a high-income skill with massive demand, and very few people know how to do it well. YouTube automation channels. YouTube is still one of the most powerful online income platforms. In 2026, faceless channels using AI voiceovers, stock footage, and automated editing will continue to grow. You don't need to show your face. You just need a niche, consistency, and smart content strategy. Print on demand and AI-generated designs. Print on demand lets you sell t-shirts, mugs, posters, and merch without holding inventory. AI tools can help you create unique designs quickly. This business is perfect for beginners because it requires zero upfront investment. 7. Social media management for small businesses. Local businesses need help with Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Shorts, and ads. They don't have time to create content, but they will happily pay someone who can. If you understand trends, captions, and engagement, you can build a profitable social media agency in 2026. Affiliate marketing with AI tools. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to earn online. You promote products you trust, and you earn a commission for every sale. AI helps you create content faster, analyze trends, and target the right audience, making affiliate marketing more powerful than ever. Virtual assistant services businesses need help with admin, emails, scheduling, research, and content. Virtual assistants are in high demand, and AI tools make the work easier and faster. This is a great business for beginners who want to start earning quickly. Personal branding and influencer business in 2026. Personal branding will be one of the most valuable assets you can build. Whether you talk about finance, spirituality, fitness, or lifestyle, your voice can become a business. Brands pay for influence, authenticity, and connection. You don't need millions of followers. Even 1,000 loyal people can create a full-time income. Final thoughts. The online world is full of opportunity, but success comes from choosing one idea and committing to it. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start. 2026 will reward people who are adaptable, creative, and willing to learn new skills. The world is shifting, and those who move with it will rise. If this video inspires you, remember, your online business doesn't need permission. It needs action. Start small, stay consistent, and your future will transform. One of the biggest advantages of starting an online business in 2026 is accessibility. You no longer need huge capital, a physical office, or a team. With a laptop, internet connection, and the right strategy, you can build something meaningful from your home or even your phone. The barriers that once stopped people from starting are disappearing. Another powerful shift is the rise of micro-entrepreneurship. You don't need to build a massive company to succeed. Even a small, niche online business can generate consistent income if it solves a real problem. The digital world rewards focus, clarity, and authenticity more than size. AI is also leveling the playing field. Tasks that once required expensive software or expert skills can now be done with simple tools. Editing videos, designing graphics, writing content, analyzing data. AI makes everything faster and more efficient. This means you can run a business with fewer resources and still compete with bigger players. But while AI helps, the human element still matters. People buy from people they trust. They follow creators who feel real. They support businesses that speak to their needs. In 2026, the most successful online entrepreneurs will be those who combine technology with authenticity. Consistency is another key factor. Many people start online businesses but give up too early. The truth is, every business, even digital ones, needs time to grow. The people who win are the ones who show up daily, improve their skills, and stay committed even when results are slow. Another trend shaping 2026 is the rise of community-based businesses. Whether it's a membership group, a private community, or a niche audience, people want connection. They want to learn together, grow together, and feel supported. If you can build a community around your niche, your business becomes stronger and more stable. Collaboration will also play a huge role. Instead of competing, online entrepreneurs are partnering, sharing audiences, co-creating products, and supporting each other. Collaboration accelerates growth because it exposes you to new people, new ideas, and new opportunities. The global nature of online business is another advantage. You're not limited to your city or country. Your customers can come from anywhere. The US, UK, India, Canada, Australia, Europe, Africa. This global reach means your potential income is not restricted by local demand. But with opportunity comes responsibility. Online businesses must be built with integrity. Transparency, honesty, and ethical practices matter more than ever. In 2026, people are smarter, more aware, and more selective. They support businesses that align with their values. Ultimately, the best online business for you is the one that matches your strengths, your passion, and your long-term vision. You don't need to chase every trend. You just need to choose one idea, commit to it, and grow it step by step. The digital world is full of opportunity, and your future is waiting for you to take the first step.